Following a September announcement, the American semiconductor company stated in a filing on Monday that Nvidia had acquired $5 billion worth of Intel shares. After years of mistakes and capital-intensive manufacturing capacity expansions depleted the chipmaker's funds, the top AI chip designer said in September that it will pay $23.28 per share for Intel common stock. This acquisition is viewed as a crucial financial lifeline for the chipmaker. According to Monday's filing, the most valuable company in the world purchased over 214.7 million Intel shares in a private placement at the price specified in the September deal. The U.S. Federal Trade Commission said earlier in December that Nvidia's investment in Intel had been approved by U.S. antitrust authorities. Pre-market trade saw a 1.3% decline in Nvidia shares, while Intel stock saw minimal movement. How playing Nvidia shares is advised by Wall Street. Wall Street anticipates that Nvidia's stock will continue to rise in 2026, despite a robust increase this year. With a mean target of around $256, the consensus rating for Nvidia shares is now strong buy, suggesting a potential upside of nearly 30%. Atif Malik, a Citi analyst, views the deal as a definite plus on two levels. In order to counter the competition from TPUs and possibly, to a lesser extent, emerging companies, Nvidia is subtly admitting through the agreement that specialized inference architectures are crucial for real-time and economical AI deployments. Additionally, Nvidia can sidestep the regulatory scrutiny associated with a full takeover by using a licensing model. Malik went on to say that by acquiring Grock's intellectual property, Nvidia can quickly expand its roadmap of inference-optimized compute stacks without having to start from scratch. Grock's language processing units, LPUs, are tuned for ultra-low latency and quick decoding inference, according to Stifel Rubin Roy. According to Roy, Grock's SRAM-based design should work well with Nvidia's soon-to-be Vera Rubin platform, enabling systems to be adjusted for various workloads. According to Roy, we think that the inclusion of an SRAM-based LPU will open up yet another choice where token, bar/, and token/watt metrics are adjusted dependent on workload. The partnership, according to Truist analyst William Stein, is a competitive reaction to mounting pressure from alternative inference architectures, especially TPUs. The analyst stated that, although the rumored $20 billion price tag is high in absolute terms, it is little in comparison to Nvidia's cash position and near-term free cash flow generation. The move is intended to strengthen Nvidia's competitive advantage, particularly against the TPU. Timothy Arcuri, a UBS analyst, stated in a different note that the acquisition would improve Nvidia's capacity to support high-speed inference applications, a field in which conventional GPUs are less effective because of their need on off-chip high-bandwidth memory. The action, he continued, is in line with Nvidia's efforts to provide ASIC-like architectures in addition to its mainstream GPU roadmap, along with programs like Rubin CPX. Nvidia, a firm in the semiconductor general sector, has made significant gains in 2025 despite the growing demand for AI technology throughout the world and ongoing confidence in the company's long-term growth trajectory. The increase on Friday coincided with Nvidia's announcement of its non-exclusive licensing deal with Grock, which calls for Nvidia to include Grock's inference technology into its portfolio and hire Grock's creator and other senior staff to assist in scaling the licensed technology. The agreement strengthens Nvidia's bet on enhancing its AI chip capabilities across both training and inference workloads, even though it falls short of a full acquisition. Despite persistent macroeconomic and regulatory uncertainty, Nvidia's year-end strength underscores widespread confidence in AI as a structural growth driver for technology industries. Even while investors are still unsure if AI is a bubble, the company has performed better this year than many of its semiconductor industry counterparts. This has coincided with investors' continued interest in businesses that stand to gain from the continuous change of computer infrastructure brought about by AI. With the help of robust profits, growing data center deployments, and a number of partnerships and investments that have solidified its place at the center of the AI boom, Nvidia's shares have increased by almost 42% year-to-date, compared to the sub-industry's gain of 38.6%. During the same time period, two of its rivals in the same industry, STM Microelectronics (NVSTM) and Texas Instruments Incorporated (TXN), have moved 5.1% and 5.7%, respectively. STM and TXN both have a number 3 hold rating, while Nvidia has a doctor to 2 buy. As Nvidia enters 2026, the AI boom and the tech industry at large will probably continue to focus on its capacity to take advantage of strategic alliances like the Grock deal, in addition to ongoing innovation in next-generation chips and AI platforms. The Bernstein Group has reaffirmed its $275 price target and outperform rating for Nvidia in light of the company's recent technological acquisition activities. The company's study follows CNBC's December 24 news that Nvidia was paying $20 billion in cash to acquire AI silicon startup Grock. Nvidia and Grock had signed a non-exclusive licensing deal for Grock's inference technology, the company later explained. According to the agreement, Grock will continue to function independently under new CEO Simon Edwards, who is currently the company's CFO, while Jonathan Ross, the creator of Grock, President Sunny Madra, and other team members will join Nvidia. According to Bernstein, the decision was made strategically, with Nvidia using its solid cash sheet to continue dominating important markets. Inference workloads represent a more diverse market that may open up new competing fronts, even though Nvidia currently dominates in AI training. The research group believes that Nvidia's $20 billion investment is appropriate in order to increase its market share as inference grows, particularly if Grock's architecture provides substantial benefits that Nvidia can now use while possibly restricting competitors' access to the technology. In other recent news, Nvidia acquired personnel from the AI firm Grock, making big strides in the IT sector. In order to improve Nvidia's AI inferencing capabilities, the non-exclusive licensing agreement with Grock entails bringing on key professionals, such as Grock's creator Jonathan Ross and President Sunny Madra. Furthermore, Nvidia has acquired 214.8 million shares of common stock through a $5 billion private placement agreement with Intel. A securities purchase agreement dated September 15, 2025, served as the legal framework for this transaction. In light of these developments, a number of analyst companies have reaffirmed their optimistic assessment of Nvidia. Citing the advantages of the Grock deal, UBS, Stifel, and Truist Securities have all kept their buy ratings on Nvidia. Stifel and Truist Securities have set price targets of $250 and $275 respectively, while UBS has set a target of $235. These scores demonstrate faith in Nvidia's calculated actions to improve its technological prowess and competitive standing. After years of significant factory investments that decreased cash flow and hampered investment in AI chips, the sale provides Intel with new capital. The two companies' larger semiconductor relationship is also strengthened, and recent reports indicate promising achievements, such as a Serpent Lake laptop chip that integrates NVIDIA graphics and Intel CPUs in a single machine. A sneak peek at what the $5 billion partnership might bring to customers is provided by this early design. In the future, Intel intends to create CPUs for PCs and data centers that closely cooperate with NVIDIA GPUs. In the meantime, NVIDIA broadens its customer base outside Taiwanese chip vendors and increases its presence in servers and PCs. All things considered, investors seem to see the transaction as a consistent move toward Intel's support. NVIDIA simultaneously acquires more flexibility without altering its main strategy. According to Stacy Rasgon, the final bear case for NVIDIA stock has been eliminated by the company's recent agreement with Grock, a California-based artificial intelligence AI firm. The business, which specializes in high-bandwidth, low-latency designs, was founded by Jonathan Ross, the architect of Google's first tensor processing unit, TPU. The revelation comes as NVIDIA's stock has risen to all-time highs, primarily due to the unrelenting demand for AI chips throughout the world. In a recent interview with CNBC, Stacy Rasgon stated that NVIDIA's decision to spend about $20 billion to acquire Grock's assets and skills disproves the one remaining claim made by skeptics. NVIDIA isn't a winner in inference. Critics have claimed for years that NVIDIA's CPUs are less competitive in inference but optimized for training. He claims that the multinational has a clear route to incorporating state-of-the-art inference systems into its next products thanks to Grock's inventions. NVIDIA can show leadership in both areas by assimilating Grock's technology and workforce. Rasgon came to the conclusion that this makes the bear case much more difficult to argue. Grock is a low-risk investment in Nvidia stock. Razgon thinks Grock is still insignificant in comparison to Nvidia's multi-trillion-dollar market capitalization, even if it is the largest deal the company has made since its founding. The Bernstein analyst actually referred to it as a bolt-on acquisition, which indicates that it offers substantial upside at minimal financial risk. He said on CNBC that Nvidia's size allows it to take in these kinds of deals without upsetting market expectations or its balance sheet. No one would care if they closed a $20 billion deal on Christmas Eve without a press release. The conclusion for stockholders is straightforward. The Grock acquisition improves Nvidia's overall standing in the AI ecosystem while posing little chance of a decline. Nvidia is increasing its lead over competitors. Nvidia is strengthening its edge over rivals by integrating Grock's inference capabilities into its ecosystem, rather than merely neutralizing a bear case. Nvidia's supremacy in training workloads has been difficult for rivals like AMD and Intel to match, and now inference presents an even greater challenge. For real-time AI applications, such as generative AI services and driverless cars, Grock's designs offer quicker, more effective processing. When these features are included into Nvidia's roadmap, the performance gap grows, making it extremely harder for rivals to catch up. The agreement solidifies Nvidia's position as the clear leader in the semiconductor sector by indicating the company's intention to control the whole AI stack. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your input helps create a more knowledgeable community where we can all learn and grow together in the world of investing. Stay up to date with the latest market trends, insights, and key updates by subscribing to Investing Tutorial. We're here to help you make smarter investment decisions and stay ahead of the curve.